Hey everyone, so welcome back to my channel. In this video, I'm going to be talking about cloth and paper inserts. So I got 3 inserts from Cloth and Paper and they are all A5 sized, and I'm going to be showing you guys how I'm using it in my new planner setup. So the first one I got is this yearly overview, and then I also received a project Gantt chart, and then I also got a purchase tracker for my finances. So I'm going to be showing you guys how I'm using it, what areas I'm going to be putting these inserts into, and just different ways that you can use it to make your system more functional. So if that sounds like something you guys want to watch, then stay tuned. Okay, so first let's just go over what all of the pages look like. So here is the yearly overview. This is the 2025 version and it's a vertical format. So we have the quarterly pages here. So you can see it says quarter 1 right there, and then it has a to-do list for the quarter and then some notes here, and then you get into the 3 months of that quarter, so January to March 2025. And these are Sunday starts, and the vertical notes section is great for writing down your goals, for birthdays, family trips, anything that you want to dedicate your time to or your goals. Just having it all in one view on one page is perfect for making sure that you don't miss out on anything. And I love that it is a vertical layout because it just coincides with my weekly layouts and everything as well. The next page is just quarter 2. So this is perfect for not overwhelming yourself with a whole year. Instead, you're working in quarters. So that's the way I like working on my projects and everything, because if I see the whole year at a glance, I tend to get overwhelmed. So I love that this is broken down into quarters. And then you can also set a theme for each quarter. Maybe you want to focus on health in quarter 1, and then the next quarter can be focused on family or financial. So it's just a great way to write down all of your important goals for the quarter throughout the year. And then in the back, they have some note sections for your 2025 aspirations, and then also a 2025 accomplishments. So this is great to look back on the year and see everything that you've completed. So every time you complete something, you can just write down what you did there. Okay, so these are going to go into my scheduling tab. I'm just going to put it right in the front of my schedule. I'm just going to go right there. Okay, so the next insert are the Gantt charts, and it is a refreshed layout. I'm not sure what the other layout looks like, but I really liked the way this layout was set up. It goes in your planner like this, but you do view it horizontally. And I think this is perfect for projects, that you have ongoing for the quarter. So for example, I plan on using these for like my decluttering project. So I can put this like for the month of December, and I'll probably put the project name right here. So declutter the house. And then every task can be like a section of the house. So it could be like the living room, the bedrooms, the kids' room. And then I can highlight what week I'm going to be working on. And then you can highlight when you are going to be working on those tasks. And it just helps you to break things down week by week so that you can just focus on one thing at a time. For example, if I'm going to be tackling the kitchen on week 1, I can just highlight that there. So this insert will just let me spread out the project and avoid burnout. So there's plenty of pages you can see here. So it'll just keep me motivated and accountable. And finally, we have the purchase tracker. So this is pretty self-explanatory, but it's great for your finance section. And I just love that it comes with so many pages because I tend to buy a lot of things, and having a budget tracker just isn't enough space for me. So I wanted a purchase tracker so that I can write down every single item that I buy, what category, and then at the end of the week, I can categorize them and then put them into my budget section. And this is going to make me feel more organized and on top of my expenses. So there's a section for the date, the description, the category it falls under, and the amount that you spent. So I love that this is just so simple and straightforward. And this is just going to help me to see at a glance where my money is going and spot any areas where I might be overspending. So this is great for staying mindful on my spending habits and help work toward my financial goals.
So yeah, so that is how I'm using my new cloth and paper inserts in my planner setup. So I think 2025 is going to be a great year with my new planner setup, and I can't wait to start using it. So if you guys want any of these inserts, I'll have all the links down below for you. And if you use my code, you will get 10% off as well. So be sure to check out the description box for all of the links. Thanks so much for watching, and I'll see you guys in my next video.